We're going to take a look at product level detail, and we're going to use data analysis to do that. You can get some product detail in the customer snapshot. It specifically shows the top 10 products that a customer is buying and compares those sales numbers. But really, when you want to dive down into sales and commission, look at the product information, rearrange, sort, and filter it, data analysis is your tool to do that. And what I did here was I ran data analysis, the sales and commission analysis cube for 2007 to 2008. That way we'll get 2 years worth of information and can compare last year's sales to this year's sales. And when we're looking at products, that gives us information about who purchased last year, maybe who isn't purchasing this year, or vice versa. What if they started buying that they weren't buying last year? This kind of analysis gives us a good idea of what's going on as far as the products that we're selling and what products per manufacturer are moving. Default view, we got customers, 2007, 2008, sales, and a bunch of different commission columns. In this case, what I'm interested in seeing is the sales information. So I'm going to turn off these commission columns here and just take a look at the sales column. So there's 2007, 2008. And what I'm interested in is not the customers, but one of my manufacturers and what products they sell. So let's pick Able Manufacturing. Here's the products they sell, and here's who's buying it. Since I'm just interested in this one manufacturer today, I'm also going to filter it. So I filter my list here and just show Able. And then all the information I have here is all concerning Able. Here's their products. Expand a couple of these, see who's buying each one of those products. Do a top-down sort here so we can see who my number one customer is for each one of those products. Here's 2007 numbers. 2008 looks pretty empty, so either we're not repping this line anymore or nobody's buying our product. Some other things to look at besides sales when we're talking about product detail. Quantity is a good one, and I also like to see the average price. So let's create a little custom column here called average price. And average price is just the sales divided by the quantity. So we have sales divided by quantity, and there's our custom column. So we hit OK. Here's sales, here's quantity, here's average price. We're still top down by sales, but if you wanted to look at it by quantity and number one total of products sold, you can certainly do that. The other thing we're going to see here when we go to sales in particular, we're going to see this invoice total. Invoice total is when you don't have line item detail. So we've imported some invoices without the line item detail. We just had straight total per customer, and that comes in as subtotal of line items. When you switch over and start having line item detail, then it'll start showing the individual SKU numbers of your products. When we have this all arranged and sorted the way we want, we can press the Export to XLS button, save it out to an Excel spreadsheet, and then further manipulate it or print it and send it off to whoever we need to.